So this part holds the back of the console and it sits on top of the airbag module, but most of these break and eventually you're gonna have to replace it, and they sell this part right here made out of metal. You can get it off of eBay and it'll stabilize the center console a lot better, but you're gonna have to adjust these two parts to match the holes so that you can center it. It's a straightforward install, but the only thing I did different was I put tape around so that if any liquid falls in here, it'll go around the module, not the same way as before, because when I saw the module, it had liquid on the module itself, and I don't know if that was the reason why it went bad or not. Who knows? But in order to avoid that, I put tape all the way around, so if I put drinks on the top of the console, which I do occasionally, and it happens to spill, then it might fall on here, but it'll go on the side and hopefully avoid ruining the module again if that was the cause. But it's still a precaution that I took. I also covered the hole in the middle. But on a different note, you might run into this issue, which is when you put this thing in, this fits okay here, but over there it doesn't go inside. It keeps it from going in, so it's too tight on these two. So I'm gonna cut them a 1/4 inch or close to that on that side and a 1/4 inch on this side, so that I'm able to slide it that way, because right now it's not going in where it's supposed to go in. So you look. All right, now it's scooted back, but since over here it kept coming out, even though it was the correct length now, I went ahead and put 2 holes on the back, on the bottom and top of the female side, and then ran some wire and 2 screws, because otherwise it'll want to slip that way. So now it doesn't move, and it should hold a little bit longer.